New Zealand, red zone, bottom of the pile, yen, top of the pile. Got all the sparkles, so nice big swing, retracement back to the 50-61% level, right the structure there. That's the area I'll get interested in some shorts. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Monday 22 July 2024. Today I'll be trading long yen, Swiss and pound, and short on the CAD, the Aussie and the New Zealand. Let's kick off with the dollar index. Strong bounce off the support level, retesting the moving average gap down this morning, so a little bit between a rock and a hard place. Everything's still bearish except on intraday. It gets a little bit bearish but neutral also, so a little bit worrisome that part. This is usually an early indication of what happens here. However, cannot respond to that. It's still on the weaker side of the 8 currencies, so I'll still stay short on the dollar for today. And gold, retracing on the daily charts, trying to retest these levels here. And with the dollar strengthening a little bit, this could go further. Big black candle on Friday as the dollar strengthens. So that could be a precursor telling us that the dollar wants to move into the green zones. But not much I can do here at present, so for now I'm just sit tight and hold on. We've hit some beautiful targets, so I'm not complaining about the retracement. It's a good thing that it retraces a little bit, giving us a chance to get some new entries. Bitcoin, well, cutting through that $66,000 levels after stalling there on that long upper shadow there. Faded a little bit and then bounced strongly through last week, and through the weekend we saw a retest of the $66,000 levels. We got a weekly close above the $66,000 level, so I like this a lot. If I look at the weekly charts and I look at that, I can see a nice flag pattern is busy forming, which is very bullish and could take us to decent new highs. If you look at the swing here of the flagpole here and you take it out and say, right, let's add it there. It's off the charts. I can't even get there with NT4. It's going to be $95,000 or $90,000 levels. I'll have to calculate that. But that's what I'm after also. You can see here, very nice consolidation pattern. We need this above. Once we get it above, we're in uncharted territory. We can just fly up the page and gain another $10,000 or $20,000, hopefully up to $100,000. That's what I'm hoping for in the next month or two. But for now, big thing for us, the trend has turned bullish. We have closed on a weekly basis and 3 days in a row above the $66,000 levels. So I think the bulls is back and they're trying their best. Doesn't mean we're not going to see a retracement. I can still see that lateral support coming in. I can still see the 66,000 now becoming support, hopefully. If it retests and then bounce on a strong candle, I'll definitely be in and all over this thing. But if I look at cryptos in general, you will see for XRP, big consolidation. If XRP can break above that previous 64, 65 cents, well, those highs at 92, they are on the charts. All depends on the court cases and stuff like that, but nice consolidation pattern. Solana also. Falling trend line, took it out, 1, 2, 3 on the 4th attempt. Might retest here now, strong candle reversal there. I'll be all over this thing. There's quite a few of them. You can see here, big patterns forming. Bitcoin Cash coming down. Chainlink, nice big patterns, and I can keep going with them. A ton of them will give you these patterns at this stage. So a lot of bullish patterns are forming, so be patient. Don't screw it up by exiting or doing something stupid. They're really setting up for another bull run into the end of the year. We might still see a month or two of sidewaysness coming in. Just hold on tight to your position. Don't get stopped out for nothing. But I think the bottoms are in, as I've said last week. And you can see a lot of divergences. You see price fails, well, price makes a new low, indicator fails to make new lows. A lot of divergences coming in. All the trends are changing. Consolidation patterns. Once we get breakouts, guys, then we will see new record highs. I can't say all-time highs, but new highs of the last few years. So I'm very positive and very bullish on cryptocurrencies. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In Euro New Zealand, Euro neutral zone, New Zealand red zone. Want to be short New Zealand, so going long here will give me that Nice swing, retracement back to 50, 61%. Right at structure here, ABC. So let's hope for the best. If I can get a retracement, I'll look for some longs. Euro yen, retracement. There was on Friday's a signal. I didn't make a video on Friday. Bearish engulfing. There was a nice short coming in. Now, yet again, my robot had a short here. Hit the trailing stop loss while in the money this morning. But nonetheless, I want to retest counter reversal. I'll be interested. You can see euro neutral, but yen. I'm cautiously long on yen, but it stays up there, so I should keep my opinions to myself and follow my indicators. I have, and I've been long on yen in a few trades, and they all made money. Then pound yen, also nice bearish engulfing right at the level I showed you last week Thursday. And now pound yen, both green, but pound relative to yen weaker than the yen. So if we test again, then no problem. We can short that yet again. Euro Swiss. Euro neutral, Swiss franc green zone, so would like to be short here. That'll give me a long on the Swiss franc. So a retest of that 50 to 61% level, that's the area I am trying to go short. So I'll wait for that to retrace. US Swiss, wow, some beautiful shorts here. But now, retracing back to 61%. You can see here dollar. We got in the neutral zone, so not after that, but I'm after the long on the Swiss. And by shorting this, it will give me the long on the Swiss. So I'm waiting for that retest, and then I'll consider some shorts. CAD yen. Tested also Friday there on a bearish engulfing. If you took that, you're 100% fine. And then CAD yen. CAD red zone, yen green zone. Want to be short here? If you're not short there, well, look for another retest, another counter reversal, then consider some shorts. New Zealand yen. New Zealand red zone, bottom of the pile. Yen top of the pile. Got all the sparkles. So nice big swing. Retracement back to the 50, 61% level. Right the structure there. That's the area I'll get interested in some shorts. Pound Australian dollar. Nice swing of the page. Breaking nicely. Retracement back to structure here. Make this a double bottom or a ABC. And you can see pound, definitely green zone. Aussie, red zone. So I want to be long here. So if it retraces, I'll then consider some longs. The Aussie US. Aussie red zone, dollar neutral, not after that, but I'm after the Aussie short, and that I can do by shorting this structure there. Very nice, between 50 and 61% of this last directional swing. If it retraces back up there, counter reversal, I'll then attempt some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. So don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.